Good day everyone. My name is Danilo Caberti Jr. I am currently a student taking up Bachelor Industrial Technology, major in Electrical Technology. Today, I will be sharing my personal goal in life, the improvement I plan to take semester and the importance to this sub in achieving this goal. My goal in life. One of my goal in life is to become successful professional electrical and behave stable job. I want to build a career where I can use my skill, knowledge and electrical work while providing a better life for my family. This this goal is very important to me because I believe that success is not only about earning money but also about having stable future, continuous growth, and the ability to support the people I love. B. Drastic improvement this semester. I improved to this semester to achieve my goal and drastic improve I will make this semester is become more disciplined and responsible with my time and studies. Before I something procrastinated and delayed my tasks with affected my performance, but this time I will manage my time better, setting for priority, following schedule and avoiding distraction. I believe that discipline it is the key success, and even if you have talent skill without continuity and effort you will not achieve your goals. By improving myself in this way I can become more productive, confident and better prepared for my future career and as an electrician. See important of this subject. I believe I believe that subject is very important in helping me achieve my goals because it develops my knowledge, skill and attitude. And this subject help improve my technical understanding, problem solving skills and critical thinking which are all essential in the electrical field. It also teaches me important values such as professionalism, responsibility, and teamwork which I will need my future job. Because of this I will take this job seriously and do my best to learn and grow. That will be all my introduction video. Thank you for listening and we all have a great and successful semester ahead. Thank you for watching everyone.